$65 for a pair of trail runners feels like a relic from a different era. But here we are looking at a budget auction that actually tries to hold its own, even in a world where everything seems to be getting more expensive. You see the marketing for these shoes. It promises to be lightweight. It promises to be durable. It talks about traction and stability like it is a top-of-the-line beast, built for the toughest peaks. But we need to look past the glossy photos and the bold claims. Let's talk about what happens when the shoe actually meets the dirt under your feet. For a casual runner, the experience is surprisingly decent. The grip on dry, dusty trails is actually a high point. You feel secure. You don't feel like you are going to slide out on a sharp turn. The cushioning is functional. It is not a plush, luxurious ride, but it provides enough of a buffer to keep your feet from feeling every single pebble on the path. However, the reality of a budget shoe usually reveals itself in the details. The biggest hurdle here is the fit. It is notoriously narrow. It runs quite small. If you don't pay close attention to the sizing, you are going to end up with a very uncomfortable, very cramped experience. It is the kind of shoe that demands you double-check the charts before you hit the buy button. It might even be worth going up a full size, just to avoid that painful squeeze after a few miles. Then there is the question of the terrain itself. This shoe is a specialist for the easy stuff. If you take it onto a path filled with jagged rocks or thick, heavy mud, you are going to feel those limitations immediately. It simply doesn't have the rugged construction of a premium, high-cost alternative. The protection underfoot is minimal. The materials are geared toward lightness rather than heavy-duty armor. The durability is fine for the weekend warrior. It will last if you are hitting the local park paths or those flat, gravel loops near your house. But don't expect it to survive a season of intense, high-mileage mountain training. It is not built for that level of punishment. Is it a scam? No, not at all. It is just an honest, budget-friendly entry point. It is for the person who wants to get outside without spending $200 on gear they might only use once a month. It is a solid, respectable choice for light to moderate use. You just have to be realistic. You have to know that you are buying a tool for a specific job. If that job is a gentle hike or a light jog on a well-maintained trail, you are in good hands. If you are planning to conquer the most technical peaks in the region, you might want to keep looking. The value is there, but the ceiling is low. It is all about matching the gear to the goal. You are getting a decent outsole and a breathable upper, but you are losing out on that high-end energy return. You are losing the rock-solid stability of the expensive brands. Just remember to size up, and maybe bring a spare pair of socks, just in case the trail gets a little more intense than you planned. It is a game of expectations, and if yours are grounded, this shoe will serve you well. It is a simple, effective solution for the casual explorer who cares more about the scenery than the specs. No bells, no whistles, just a basic shoe for a basic price. And sometimes, that is exactly what you need to get moving. It is about the freedom of the outdoors without the heavy price tag weighing down your every step. It is not overhyped. It is just correctly priced for what it delivers. Stay smart, stay on the trail, and keep moving.